What's going on, guys? Today Oxito has sent us more LED bulbs for the Focus ST. Today we're installing the fog light bulbs. So guys, let's get right into it. Alright guys, I've had these for about a week now, so I'm going to go ahead and install them. It is daylight outside, but what I'm going to do for the before and after, I'm just going to shut off the lights in my garage. I've got the doors shut. So I'm not going to do like a driving down the road at night. It's kind of hard to see the fog lights from inside the car anyways. So we're just going to cut the lights out in here and do the before and after just right here in the garage. So all right guys, let's get the lights out. Let's get over and see what they look like before. Alright, so apparently with the facelift model, you can just prise these off and then take the fog lights themselves out, the whole assembly, and apparently that's easier than trying to get in between here or jack it up and take the splash shut off. So I'm going to set the camera down. I need to get the bugs off this. Man, I'm going to set the camera down. I'm going to see how hard this is to get off. Apparently all this is just clips. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's definitely in there. Okay. So, I didn't break anything. Sorry for the poor, weird angle. But, I didn't break anything. But, definitely felt like he was going to. So this slides in here and then this re-clips. So the whole fog light assembly is right here. It's two T25 Torx bits. Alright. Again, sorry for this weird angle. I know this isn't the best angle, but oh, is there another screw? There he is. There's 3 screws. I thought there were only 2. Okay, so 3 screws. And this comes out, I think. There we go. Alright, 3 screws. This does come out. Alright, got the clip off. Okay, so you do have to remove this clip. There's 2 things on the outside. Sorry if you can't see that very well. But you open these up and then pull this off. Then right here, you have to have that clip off. You can't turn the bulb this way. Bulb will only go this way. So, right there is the bulb. So, let's compare. Boom, new bulb, old bulb. New bulb looks pretty sweet. So you can see the size difference. So yeah, let's lay this one to the side. Let's try to get this one installed. Boom. Installation was super easy. In, line it up, and turn. And then yeah, just plug it back up, guys. Awesome, that was super easy. You don't want to over tighten these if you're using it. electric impact like I am. We're just going in plastic. All right. Now let's try to get this bezel in without breaking it. So this just slides in. All right, guys, that is in. It's weird. You almost have to be rough with it, but as you can see, it's not coming out. So I'm gonna go the other side. I'm not gonna film it, but I'm just gonna show y'all the after. But this is a super easy install, and it's way better than taking the front bumper off or turning the wheel and taking the fender liners out, things like that. So I'm gonna do the other side, then I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. All right, guys, not a bad install at all. That literally took maybe 5 minutes. So like I said, them bezels, they feel like they're gonna break, but they're really not. If you just go from the inside, prise out, it literally comes out and out. So, and then to install it, you go back in and then clip it. So anyways, let's flip these lights off and let's see what these Oxito fog lights look like. Oh yeah, guys, absolutely. The color is phenomenal. It matches my low beam lights now. But anyways, guys, I highly recommend Oxito LED bulbs. I'll link them in the description box below. If you use code Brian Lewis, you're going to save yourself 15% off of any bulbs on the site. And I have a set of H1s. These do not fit the high beams for the Focus, are too big. But if anybody else is running H1s on anything, comment down below for a chance to win these. I'm gonna do a giveaway. If this video hits 1,000 views, I'm gonna give away those H1s and these 9008s LED bulbs, guys, and I'll flip the camera around and show you these. These are sweet. All right, guys, check these out. These are super nice, and we are giving these away to one of you all. So boom. So guys, if your car takes a 9008, comment down below and enter for a chance to win these. And then these are the H1s. Now the Focus ST runs a H1 on the high beam, but these are too big to fit inside. But guys, these are still super nice. If anybody's running H1s on any other car besides the Focus ST, comment down below for a chance to win those as well. Guys, when this video gets to 1,000 views, I'll pick one of the lucky commenters below, and I will ship these to you for free as long as we're inside the United States. So like I said, free shipping to any winner. You must be in the US to enter this giveaway. So huge shout out to Oxito once again. Guys, go follow them on Instagram. Go check out their website. They have the best LED bulbs money can buy. Great prices. And with that discount code, Brian Lewis, you're going to save 15% off of any bulbs on the entire site. Guys, I will link them down in the description box below. They are going to fully furnish my Focus ST with all the LED bulbs. And Oxito, we really do appreciate you all here on a Brian Lewis vlog. So guys, go show them some love on Instagram. Go buy something. Click the link in the description box below. Well guys, that's where I'm going to end today's video. Make sure you check Oxito out once again down in the description box below. Make sure you're following us on TikTok and Instagram. I'll link to all that in the description box as well. Check out the Amazon affiliate links in the description as well. Guys, the best way to help the channel out is just to make sure you're subscribed. Hit the subscribe button, guys. It really does help out. Click the like button and turn the little bell on so you get the notifications anytime we upload some awesome content. Guys, until next time.